Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to understand how to create, subscribe and Pabbly email marketing for LinkedIn lead gen forms lead. So I run a B2B business and to promote our business, we are running some LinkedIn lead gen forms. So now manually adding that leads as a subscriber in our Pabbly email marketing tool is a very time consuming task. So now I've planned to automate this entire process. So now here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my LinkedIn lead gen forms, then automatically that lead should be added as a subscriber in our Pabbly email marketing tool. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect my LinkedIn lead gen forms with my Pabbly email marketing tool using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I run a B2B business and I use LinkedIn lead gen forms to capture potential clients' contact information. So managing these leads manually can be overwhelming. So I want to automate the process by adding them as a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing tool. This way, whenever someone fills out a LinkedIn lead gen form to learn more about my services, their details are automatically added to my email list. This allows me to send follow-up emails, share valuable content, and nurture the relationship, helping me stay in touch with potential clients and increase the chances of converting them into customers. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect my LinkedIn lead gen forms account with my Pabbly email marketing tool using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 hours every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as create subscriber in Pabbly email marketing for LinkedIn lead gen forms lead. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So in my trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger application as LinkedIn lead gen forms because I'm receiving new leads through LinkedIn lead gen forms. So LinkedIn lead gen forms are built-in forms that makes it easy for businesses to collect leads directly from their LinkedIn ads. When someone clicks on an ad, the form autofills their LinkedIn profile information so they can submit their details with just a few clicks. People use LinkedIn lead gen forms because it simplifies the process of gathering high-quality leads, reducing friction for users and increasing the chances of conversions. It's perfect for businesses looking to capture contact information from professionals without requiring them to leave the LinkedIn platform. So here in my LinkedIn lead gen forms trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead gen form response, so that whenever I'm going to receive new lead gen form response through my LinkedIn lead gen forms, then automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here to connect my LinkedIn lead gen forms with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect Connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select Add New Connection. If your LinkedIn Leads and Forms account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on Select Existing Connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this Connect with LinkedIn Leads and Forms. So here you can see my account details are already pre-filled over here because here I was already logged in my LinkedIn Leads and Forms account. So now I'm directly going to click on the sign in. And authorization successful. So now here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the account and the lead form. So here to select this account and the lead form, let me take you back to my LinkedIn Leads and Forms account. And here you can see the account that I'm using with the name Pabbly's Ad account. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here for the account, I'm going to select the account by clicking on this drop down menu. And here you can see my account name, that is Pabbly's Ad account. Now here after selecting my account, you can see the lead form has already been selected with the name lead form. So I've already created a form with the name lead form. So here I'm going to select that particular form. And now here after selecting my account and the lead form, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to generate a test lead in my LinkedIn Leads and Forms account. And here to generate a test lead, let me take you back to my LinkedIn Leads and Forms account. So this is my LinkedIn Leads and Forms account. And here under this campaigns, you can see I've created a campaign and the lead form with this name. So here I'm going to open it. So this is my LinkedIn Leads and Form. So I'm going to click on this apply now. And here you can see it is asking me to enter the email address and the phone number. But here this first name, last name and the company name are static fields. That means these fields value cannot be changed. So here these fields are static field because here I'm using a test account and here I've created a test LinkedIn Leads and Form. But if your LinkedIn Leads and Forms account is live, then your lead will receive the option to add all the details for these fields. So here I'm going to do a test submission by entering some test details over here. So here for the email address, I'm going to enter the email address as latestlead@pabblytudes.com. And here for the phone number, I'm going to enter a random phone number. And here this first name, last name and the company name will remain the same. So now I'm going to click on the submit. And here you can see information sent to Pabbly. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow. And now I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the form name, landing page, scrolling little down. Here you can see the email that we have received such as latestlead@pabblytudes.com, scrolling little down. Here you can see the phone number, first name as Pabbly, last name as Subscription Billing Management Service, company name as Magnet Brains and some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So now here let me tell you that LinkedIn Leads and Forms is a pooling based application. That means it will look for the new responses within 10 minutes. So now once we have set up this connection, then whenever I'm going to receive new leads and form response through my LinkedIn Leads and Forms, I want to add this lead to my Pabbly email marketing tool as a new subscriber. So for that, here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Pabbly email marketing. So Pabbly Email Marketing is a tool that helps businesses send bulk emails to their subscribers easily. It's known for offering affordable plans with no limits on the number of emails you can send. People use Pabbly because it's simple to create email campaigns, automate follow-ups, and track how well the emails are performing. Plus, it integrates with popular email services and comes with features like list management and personalized email options. Whether you are running a small business or a large company, Pabbly Email Marketing helps you stay connected with your audience effectively. So in my Pabbly Email Marketing action step, I'm going to select my action event as Add Subscribers, so that whenever we are going to receive new leads and form response through LinkedIn Leads and Forms, then automatically that lead should be added as a new subscriber in our Pabbly Email Marketing tool. And now here to connect our Pabbly Email Marketing with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this Connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select Add New Connection. If your Pabbly Email Marketing account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on Select Existing Connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the token. So here in the help text, it says enter your barrier token. Here to obtain the barrier token, log into your Pabbly Email Marketing account, navigate to the integration section, click on Developer API and copy the barrier token. So here you can see we have received the hyperlink for the Developer API over here for our Pabbly Email Marketing account. So here I'm going to directly click on this hyperlink given over here, and you can see it has directly taken us to the Developer API window of our Pabbly Email Marketing account. So this is my barrier token. You can see that I've received. So here I'm going to copy it. Moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter the token. Now here after entering the token, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the list name. So here I've created a single list with the name default list. So here I'm going to select that list only. And then here it is asking me to enter the email and the name. So here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new Legion form response through our LinkedIn Legion forms, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to search for our leads email. So this is our leads email. So I'm going to map it. And here for the name, I'm going to search for our leads name. Scrolling little down. So this is our leads first name, that is Pabbly space, and this is the last name. Now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received the successful response where the status is success and the messages list updated successfully. Total emails and list is 5. So with this, we have successfully added a new subscriber in our Pabbly email marketing tool. So now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new subscriber in our Pabbly email marketing tool with the email as latestlead@pabblytudes.com and the name as Pabbly Subscription Billing Management Service. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. So now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as LinkedIn Legion forms and our action as Pabbly email marketing. So that whenever we are going to receive new Legion form response through our LinkedIn Legion forms, then automatically the lead received is going to add as a new subscriber in our Pabbly email marketing tool. Okay, so these were the steps to how to create a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing for LinkedIn Legion forms leads. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.